Siam has arrested 20 Cambodian soldiers after coming to shake hands with the Cambodian army, and 2 are suspected to have died and are yet to be released. After the ceasefire, Siam used a trick to ask for a handshake with our army. On the morning of July 30th, 2025, the Cambodian military, led by His Excellency General Vong Pisen, Commander-in-Chief of the Royal Cambodian Armed Forces, held a conference with military attachés and diplomats from 13 countries to provide details about a surprising incident that occurred in the Cambodia-Thailand border area, especially in the Choam battlefield, Preah Vihear province. His Excellency Vong Pisen stated that on the morning of July 29, 2025, after the ceasefire between Cambodia and Thailand officially came into effect, 20 Cambodian soldiers stationed in the Choam battlefield walked to meet with Thai soldiers to show their spirit of peace and shook hands as a sign of respect for the ceasefire. However, when the Cambodian soldiers walked closer and shook hands with the Siamese soldiers, the Thai soldiers suddenly drew their weapons and arrested the 20 Cambodian soldiers immediately, without giving a clear reason. According to additional information, among the 20 Cambodian soldiers who were captured, 1 soldier successfully escaped and returned to report the incident to the Cambodian army leadership. However, 2 other soldiers are suspected to have died due to clashes during their capture or possibly due to shooting from the Thai side. The Cambodian army is currently conducting further investigations to clarify the situation of the 2 soldiers. As of the afternoon of July 30th, 2025, the remaining 17 Cambodian soldiers are still in the custody of the Thai army, with the Siamese side having not yet responded or confirmed plans for their release. The Cambodian Ministry of National Defense has called on the Thai side to respect a ceasefire agreement and immediately release these Cambodian soldiers. During a visit to the Cambodia-Thailand border area, military attachés and diplomats from 13 countries, including the United States, China, France, Australia, Japan, India, and some ASEAN member countries, inspected the actual situation in the Choam battlefield. They observed that despite the ceasefire agreement, tension still exists in the area due to the deployment of Thai troops near the border, with the Thai side and the Siamese thugs not taking the law and agreement into their own hands. His Excellency Vong Pisen stressed that Cambodia is committed to respecting the ceasefire agreement and continues to cooperate with the international community to ensure peace and stability in the border area. At the same time, Cambodia has also requested that the military attachés and diplomats of the 13 countries help coordinate with the Thai side to promote the early release of the Cambodian soldiers. The appeal. The Cambodian Ministry of National Defense is committed to working with the United Nations and influential countries in the region to resolve this issue quickly. In addition, Cambodia has called for an independent investigation to find the truth about the incident and ensure that the Thai side is held accountable for its actions. This incident has caused great concern among the Cambodian people and the international community because it has undermined confidence in the ceasefire agreement and may lead to renewed tension in the border area. Cambodia hopes that through cooperation with friendly countries and international organizations, this situation will be resolved peacefully and the Cambodian soldiers will be released as soon as possible. And please, the people of the world and the international community, as well as regional and international legal institutions, condemn Thailand and the Siamese society for violating the Siam-Cambodia ceasefire agreement and committing a brutal and merciless act of arresting 20 soldiers. 1 escaped. 2 soldiers may have died under suspicion of shooting by Thai soldiers at the Choam Ta Pass, using the trick of asking for a handshake with our troops and then arresting them. Once again, please the international community impose sanctions and condemn this act of slavery on Thailand. Thank you.
You see that right here. Another breach of the ceasefire. There's 2 breaches of the ceasefire yesterday. And this is the case number 2 is right here where we stand and where you see the statue and the monuments. So the second breach was we, the Royal Cambodian Armed Forces, abide by the ceasefire. No firing, no movement of troop or patrol, and of course the three, no adding troop or movement of troop around the border area. And what happened yesterday, starting at about 0800 here, was Thai soldier actually walking in, about 6 to 7 of them, and they actually sit. They come and they just sit there, where we hold this is our territory, this is our sovereignty, and they just come and sit, as shown in this picture. So they come and sit, and we ask them to leave. We ask them to leave, they will not leave until around 1800 last night that they went back. So this is another breach of the ceasefire. And the first case that was happening, what the commander mentioned, was at Choam, Phnom Dacho, where they capture 20 of our soldiers, just like what the commander mentioned. And at the moment, we are asking an immediate release of this soldier, and we are working. The military regional are working together. And once again, thanks to the CDF of Malaysia, who flew in yesterday, have a meeting. And actually this morning, he said that he is working on the release of this captured soldier. And we also work with our Thai, and they have sent us pictures, shows that our soldier at the moment are in good health and are being detained by them. So what we want at the moment, regardless of what's going on, please release this captured soldier, which is capturing after the ceasefire. So all of this that we've been trying to work. And once again, this is the second breach of yesterday where you at. We have clear evidence that they were here with picture. So and I believe that the site itself basically have 1,000 words, show you everything here. So please take a look and where the monument have been destroyed. One day before the ceasefire.
After they capture our bunker, they wave their hands and call back our army, our soldiers. When our soldiers saw they are waving their hand and calling us back, we came back. When we came to see them, only 5 or 6 of us came to see them directly. I mean near each other, only 5 to 6 person. Thai soldiers show a very good attitude toward us. They smile, they shook our hand, very friendly. And then we discussed about the ceasefire, and then after that, Thai soldier, they call us for a good photo. The photo as a reference archive after the ceasefire. But surprisingly, when we are taking the photo, their soldier came from behind and used the gun pointing at us. At this point, I would like to ask all Excellency here, or delegation here, are you feeling bad about this? If it were you, when your own troop, your own soldier was captured by a despicable means, by a very disrespectful means, and this happened on your own territory. During that time, they captured 20 soldiers of our soldiers, and one escaped and came to report to him. And then during the report, he said that maybe 2 more soldiers was already killed at the time.
បទមានរបស់សេនានិពន្ធយោធាទាំងអស់ពិសេសគឺអរគុណបំផុតមែនទែនសម្រាប់លោកដូណាល់ រ៉ាមតែម្ដងនិយាយត្រង់តែម្ដងទៅដូចលោកស៊ីជីនពីងរបស់ចិននិងម៉ាឡេស៊ីដែលលោករួមជាមួយនឹងសេនានិពន្ធផ្សេងៗទៀតដែលលោកបានមកដល់ទីនេះនឹងមើលឃើញអំពីស្ថានភាពរួមទូទៅនៅទីនេះបាទនៅទីនេះបាទសូមអរគុណបាទ Thank you.